I'm Amar, and I will teach you guys how to create games with over than 2 years of experience in programming and game development. This course will take you no time from beginner to creating your own games in the game engine. So let's take a look at the course. We will start by learning C#, one of the most popular programming languages and most usable in the engine. Starting from basics and going step by step to advanced topics, and right after you go over C#, next task will be to use it in particular way, and that is by creating games. The first game will be Ninja Jump, where you will learn to fully control our player, create enemies that will attack our ninja, and how to use collision, animations, and physics of the game. The second game will be Pawn Game. There I will show you how to create AI enemy or even player 2 option that you will choose in main menu. So it's up to you guys to decide, will you play against friends or defeat an AI enemy using the ball to score as many goals as we need to. The third game is a fast one, and that is Race. There you will learn how to increase our score in meters that will start counting from the start point. And the more meters we pass, the faster our bike will go. Can you dodge all these cars? The fourth game is our space shooter. In that game we will learn to have AI enemies that follow us around and they will try to shoot us before we shoot them down. Plus, we will add animations to our main menu and there we can choose do we want our music to be on or off. The fifth and last game will be Color Switch. For that game we will cover almost everything that Color Switch game has. Starting from our ball jumping to adding sounds and effects whenever we jump, pick up collectibles or even die. How to use UI elements that Unity has to change from scene to scene and implementing the high scores for our games. Everything I want to know as a beginner is here, so what are you waiting for? Take this course now so you can start building all of these games.